Did you know there was a moment when cinema almost became something else entirely? In the early 1900s, a small group of inventors believed the projector could do more than replay the past. They thought it could reach forward. Ornate theaters began appearing in cities like Vienna and Lyon. Velvet seats, gilded ceilings, but no film reels on the shelves. Instead, you would walk in, sit down, and watch your own life play out on the silver screen before you lived it. The projection booths hummed with strange equipment, brass lenses, clockwork shutters, machines nobody ever fully explained. Audiences would arrive at a crossroads, a marriage, a business deal, and buy a ticket first. They would watch both versions of their future flicker across the screen in silence. Then they would choose. Nobody recorded how accurate the visions were. The theaters closed quietly, one by one, and the equipment vanished with them. But somewhere, in a forgotten archive, there are ticket stubs with no dates printed on them, only possibilities.